Hello friends, we live in a country where parents, many parents and people, maximum people, they think if someone is not good in their study, in their academic, is a good for nothing. He is considered as a duffer. But it is not like this. There are nine type of intelligence, and who are good in their academic means his intelligence is prominent in one kind of intelligence. There are nine kind of intelligence. I will take one by one. The first one is logical mathematical intelligence. This logical mathematical intelligence, this is the favorite one of our parents and most of the people. The society, they they just run behind this intelligence. The people who clear the big exam, prominent exam like IIT, JEE, and NEET exam like this, they have this kind of intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, and person who are good in physics, chemistry, mathematics, they have this kind of intelligence. Engineer, doctor, administrator, scientist, are they all are comes under this logical mathematical intelligence. But this is one of the intelligence. People think uh, only these persons are intelligent, but it's not like this. This is one of the intelligence. Second one is what? Music intelligence. In music intelligence, you know, who are good in singing, and there are musician in Hollywood, Bollywood. So they uh, they know how to write lyrics, how to sing song, any kind of song. Means they can attract any kind of masses, any kind of people. They have such kind of power. So they have this kind of intelligence, musical. They have musical sense. So that is called music intelligence. And third one is the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. In this bodily kinesthetic intelligence, people like a sports person and person who are doing gymnastic, they are comes under this bodily kinesthetic intelligence. I will give you one example. Suppose one boy is there and he is jump off from the running bus, and after jumping off from the running bus, still he is able to manage his body. He did not fall down. It means that boy has the bodily kinesthetic intelligence very prominently. Means it's not easy task to jumping off from the running bus. So I'm just giving you example. This is one of the intelligence. Next, intrapersonal intrapersonal intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence is a person means there. Suppose one person is there and who are in trouble emotionally or physically, whatever, but he never takes help from others. He is self-sufficient. Means he takes from intelligence from books, from from anywhere. So this that kind of intelligence is called intrapersonal intelligence because he is not looking for anyone. He never goes to anyone and seek help. Means we can say self-healing intelligence. This is very prominent intelligence. Self-healing means he is alone, self-sufficient, alone. And another intelligence is interpersonal. Previous was intrapersonal, now this is interpersonal intelligence. So these nowadays politician, leader, and great speaker, they have this kind of intelligence. Means they very easily they can influence others. They know what audience is thinking. They know what audience is liking. So they speak the same way audience is looking for. So this is also one of the intelligence. Next one, linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence means person who speaks lots of language, and they when they narrate any story, they play with words. Play with words means They know where to what word is they will use, and people will uh, clap, people will appreciate. People some There are some people who writes poetry, so they have this kind of linguistic intelligence. Another is spatial intelligence. Spatial means um, something there are painters, they they make drawings, so they have this kind of spatial intelligence. Next one is existential. Existential means there are some people, they try to find out the answer of some absurd question. Absurd question means who we are, from where we come from, what is the connection between our and natures. So this is not very common question. Everybody don't ask this kind of question. So people who have this kind of intelligence, existential intelligence, they hanker after this, they hanker after the answer of this kind of question. Also, last one is naturalist. Hunter, hunter, farmer, or biologist, or who reside in forest, they have this kind of sense, this kind of intelligence. Naturalist means they know how to deal different kind of animal, different kind of plants are there, uh, different kinds of atmosphere there in forest, so they know how to deal with that. So these are the intelligence types of nine intelligence I'm telling you. So people have a combination of two intelligence or three intelligence or more than three intelligence. So sometimes one of the intelligence is in very prominent way. So we need to find out which intelligence we have in prominent way, and if we are able to find out that prominent intelligence within us, then it will be very easy to go with that, and then we will search according to that intelligence in which field we are good. Then very easily we can find out our passion. Okay, so these are the 9 type of intelligence. So people who are mm, good in academic, they are only intelligence. This is the myth. Fact is what? This is the fact which I am discussing with you. These 9 type of intelligence. Thank you very much.